Okay guys, we have 2 parts to today's warm up. First minute will be high knees. Second minute will be leg swings. You can hold on to something if you want, but forward, backwards, side to side. Next minute will be quad stretching, so just grab your foot, 2-second hold, switch legs. Then we're going to go into 2 rounds. We're going to start with a 10 star jump, so touch the ground, jump up. 10 tabletop stretches. Open up those hips, get that chest open. 10 single leg knee to floor. So pay attention on this one. Your knee should touch the ground right next to your foot, so it's not a lunge. And then stand. If you can't get full range of motion, so let's say you get stuck, then put your toe to the ground and help yourself lower to the floor. But I do want your knee all the way to the floor. So whether it's unassisted, just tapping that knee, or whether it's a portion where we need to plant that foot and continue, that's fine, okay? You'll do 5 each leg there. 10 Jane Fondas, laying on your side, opening up. It's gonna be 10 each side there, and then laying on your back. 20 quick glute bridges as fast as you can. That'll be 2 total rounds for the warm-up. All right, this week or today we have 2 14-minute AMRAPs, okay? Rest as needed between them, unless you're on Zoom, then you'll go off our timer. But first workout will be 14-minute AMRAP of 20 seal jacks. So forward and backward with your feet. No, just do something. We're still learning. 20 seal jacks, 10 V-ups. Moving your hands and legs at the same time. You can absolutely scale those if you need to, keeping your feet stagnant or crunching up, any of those are fine. Followed by 10 plank or toe reaches, so holding a plank, reaching back, touching opposite foot. That is 10 total, so 5 each one. Cycle through that for 14 minutes. Expect to get a lot of rounds, guys. It is low reps, right? They're fast movements, so I want you moving through this 14 minutes, but make sure it's sustainable. Rest as needed. Then next, 14-minute AMRAP, 40 double unders or penguin taps. If you have a jump rope and you can go single unders, you can turn that into 80 single unders, that's fine. Then we got 20 goblet reverse lunges. So if you don't have weight, just reverse lunge without weight, but step back, tap your knees, stand tall. A total of 20. Then we have 20 bench dips. We can leave that down. Again, the goal is not below parallel. Tiny movement is fine. Quarter dip, half dip, but don't go too low, okay? You got 20 total bench dips here. These rounds are going to take a little bit longer than the first 14-minute AMRAP. All right, we are loading and they are getting a little bit more difficult, so keep in mind this will get hard really fast. Good luck on the 2 14-minute AMRAPs.